Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 1,500 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a nice saw that just came in. Cold saws, we don't get a lot of used ones actually. We do sell a lot of new ones though. If you're looking for a cold saw new, we do have them with power vices, power heads, ferrous and non-ferrous materials, whatever you're looking for. This particular machine is for a ferrous materials. You notice a big geared head here. That's going to allow for a slow speed, dig right into your steel. You're going to have 2 speeds. That's all that you have on these cold saws. This has a quick vise. You can go ahead and open up to whatever vise size you need. Go ahead and quick clamp right here, and that's going to go ahead and just get that last 1/4 of an inch so that it makes it nice and tight for you. You can also do swivel head cutting if you need to. You just go ahead and move the head here and adjust where your vise is going to be set as it comes down so that it doesn't cut the vise, of course. But you can go ahead and do your 45s right here and whatever degrees you need to get to. We'll bring that back right to center and just make a cut for you. You'll see it also does have a coolant pump included with the machine. Right here is the pump. Just get everything going and you can see the pump's working. Water's coming out right, or the coolant will be coming right onto the blade. You can see it's no problem to cut that open. Nice clean cut. And also the piece of obviously is very cold, hence the word cold saw. Makes it no marring, no changing your material as you cut it. You can go right to the next step, whatever you need to do to finish your material. If you're interested in this saw or any other, we do carry new and used, as I said. Please give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out a current inventory at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.